Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello, you are welcome back to this tutorial. Here I'm going to be showing you how to add page admin, people with page access, somebody who can control your page on your behalf. In case you have a client, you can also show him how to add you up to the page so that you can manage the page. So if you want somebody to help you to manage your page, this is how you go about it. So let's dive in. You go straight to, let's go to our menu right here. Go to professional dashboard. Go to page access, which is this first one here. Okay, you can see we have people with Facebook access. This is the admin. If you add anybody, it becomes the admin. This one is people with tasks. In other words, people that can help you to manage your site by replying comments and maybe boosting ads. But this first one have access to your page is the admin, just like you are. So this is my account now. I'm the admin of this page. I was the one that created it. So you can see what I have. I have content, messages, community, activity. I can control ad, insights, permissions, page deletion. I can delete the page, but this one cannot do all that. You can't delete the page because it only have task to your site. You can only manage your site by helping you to do some stuff. So these people with task, people you add to your page that have tasks that they are doing, but they don't have full access, just like the admin. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add admin. That's what I'm interested in. So I want the account I want to add to have full access, just like the way I have the way my account have access to run ad and delete posts, make posts, do a lot of stuff. So I want this account I want to add another one to this. So I'll click on this add new. Okay, you can read through this, please. It's telling us that if I allow another manager to come in, it will have the same access, just like the original admin of this account. So you can read through what they wrote here to know the consequences of what you are doing. You can also remove him later. Mind you, if you add another admin, that admin have the access to add another person as an admin also. So you have full access, just like you are, just like a WhatsApp group. If you add another admin, it has complete access, just like the admin. You can even remove and add another admin. So this is how it works. So we're going to click on next. Okay, you can see the names that just come up. You can type your name here. Okay, let me pick this one, Isaiah. Okay, look at what it says now. Here we have content. This what I can do, I can create, can manage or delete posts, then stories and more as page. Then we have messages, send and respond to messages as the page. In other words, I can access with this account. This account can access the page dashboard. So community activities, review and response to comments, remove unwanted content and report activities. So what you can do, you can create, manage and delete ads for the page. You understand? So if you're adding anybody here, you should know that the person will be the one managing your page. So don't make that mistake. So we say allow this person to also have full control. Anyone with full control can give access to others. Remove anyone from page. I want the person to have full control. You need to check this. Make sure you read all this information before you make any click. Once you enter this, I'm making another admin just like myself. So I'll give the person full control. I will give access. Click on give access. Okay, it's asking for my password now. I'm going to pause this video and put in my password. Okay, you can see that I've already added this. So we now have two different admin here. Okay, so I can also come here and add new to page access to task. I'll click on add new. So I'll click on next. So any name I click here. So you search for the person's username and just, the person need to tell you username. You search for the person's username, then you click on add, and you can then add the person. So I won't do that. I just want to add this. This is my other account. This is my main account. This is my main Facebook account I used to run it out. This one this is for tutorial sake. So I just added this one. This is my main account. So these are to add people, add extra admin to your page so that they can help you to manage your page. So see you